Hi friends, it's Sophie. Buumi's here too. Let's make carrot cake. Together, me and you. Find the carrots orange bright. Hold them up, what a sight. Find the flour soft and white. Shake, 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 just right. Let's put them in the bowl. Ready, Buumi? Mix it round and round. Swirly, twirly, up and down. Buumi stirs, silly spin. Sophie laughs, let's mix again. Pour it gently, tip, tip, tip. Don't let any of it drip, drip, drip. Tap the pan, tap, tap, tap. Buumi claps, clap, clap, clap. Waiting, waiting, what do? We can sing and dance, me and you. Tick tock tick, almost done. Waiting games are so much fun. Sprinkles here and sprinkles there. Candy stars everywhere. Sophie smiles neat and sweet. Buumi dumps messy treat. Slice the cake, 1, 2, 3. Sharing tastes so good to me. Take a bite, yum, yum, yum. Carrot cake is #1. Good job, Buumi. Good job, friends. Play baking magic never ends. Bye. Hi. Don't forget to subscribe, friends.